Shwashari. I am 5 years old. I lived in Ajmer, Rajasthan. I love astronaut and planets, science things. In this corona period, I have learned more than 100 questions on astronomy and make this record.
What is galaxy?
Collection of the stars, group of stars,
What is shape of our galaxy?
spiral shape,
What is our home galaxy called?
Milky Galaxy,
How many planets in our solar system?
8.
Name of 8 planets.
Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Mercury, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus.
Which planet is nearest of the sun?
Mercury,
Which planet is farthest of the sun?
Neptune,
Which planet is coolest in our solar system?
Neptune,
Which planet is hottest in our solar system?
Venus,
Which planet is smallest in our solar system?
Mercury,
Which planet is biggest in our solar system?
Jupiter,
Number of one planet closest of the sun.
Mercury,
Number of two planet closest.
Venus,
Number of three planet.
Mars,
Number of four planet.
Earth,
Number of five planet.
Jupiter,
Number of six planet.
Saturn,
Number of seven planet.
Uranus,
Number of eight planets.
Saturn,
Number of eight planet.
Neptune,
Which color of Mercury planet? Which color of Mercury planet? Which color of Mercury planet?
Gray,
Which color of Venus planet?
brown and gray,
Which color of Mars planet?
red,
Which color of Earth planet?
blue,
Which color of Uranus planet?
sky blue,
Which color of Uranus planet?
blue green,
Which color of Neptune planet?
Saturn,
Which color of Neptune planet?
sky blue,
Which color of Sun?
white,
Which color of our galaxy?
biggest pair,
Which color of our galaxy?
bluer,
Which color of our space?
black,
What is shape of our Earth?
spiral, biggest pair,
What is shape of Andromeda galaxy?
spiral shape,
Can should travel in space?
no,
Who was first Indian woman to go to space?
Kalpana Chawla,
Star of planets known as?
sun,
Big ball of fire known as?
sun,
What is the sun made mainly from?
gas,
Which gas mostly sun is made up?
hydrogen,
How many planets are made of ice in our solar system?
2,
Name of planets are made of ice in our solar system.
Uranus, Neptune,
How many planets are made of gas in our solar system?
2,
Name of planets are made of gas in our solar system.
Saturn, Jupiter,
How many planets are rocky and terrestrial
4.
planets? Name of the planets.
Earth, Mars, Venus, Earth,
Name of planets are rocky and terrestrial planet in our solar system.
Mars, Mars,
Name of planet are rocky and terrestrial planet in our solar system.
Mars, Venus, Mercury, Neptune,
Name of planet are rocky and terrestrial planet in our solar system.
Mercury, Mars, Earth, Venus,
Between which planet asteroid belt is found?
Mars, Jupiter,
Which planet has the most set of ring?
Saturn,
Which planet of the don't have rings?
Mars,
How many dwarf planets there in our solar system?
5,
Which planet belong to interplanet group?
Mars,
Which planet belong to outer planet group?
Saturn,
Which planet rotate clockwise?
Venus,
Which planet rotate 90-degree angle?
Uranus,
What is the moon?
Saturn,
What is the moon?
satellite,
Which planet has highest moons?
Jupiter,
Which planet moon is Phobos and Deimos?
Mars,
How many natural moons Mars have?
2,
How many natural moons Neptune have?
4,
How many natural moons Neptune have?
14,
How many natural moons Uranus have?
27.
How many natural moons Jupiter have?
79.
How many natural moons Saturn have?
82.
How many natural moons Earth have?
1.
How many natural moons Mercury have?
0.
How many natural moons Venus
0.
have? Which planet moon is Titan?
Saturn.
Which planet moon is Ganymede?
Jupiter.
Which object has most gravity in our solar system?
Sun.
Which planet has most powerful auroras in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Which is nearest star to the earth?
Alpha Centauri.
Which is the biggest type of star?
Supergiant.
Which star brightest shine in the sky?
Dog star.
How many stars in our solar system?
100,000 millions.
How old is our universe?
14 billion years.
How many galaxy in the Milky Way?
100 millions.
How many galaxy we can see from earth?
99.
How many dimensions in our universe?
10.
Which planet has red spot?
Jupiter.
What is the red spot on Jupiter?
Storm.
What is the brightest planet in the night sky?
Venus.
What is the temperature of the sun?
5,600 degrees.
Sunset colors on Mars planet.
Blue.
Which first planet located mathematical calculation?
Neptune.
How many percentage of the universe is dark energy?
95%.
How many galaxy neighborhood Milky Way galaxy?
30.
How many earth can fit inside the sun?
1.3 million.
Which planet also known as morning and evening star?
Venus.
How much earth surface covered with water?
70%.
Which planet longest day in our solar system?
Venus.
Which planet known to harbor life in the universe?
Earth.
Hottest star of our galaxy?
Sun.
What color of oldest star? What color of oldest star?
Blue.
Which planet has less mass or density?
Saturn.
What does color and star indicates? What does color and star indicates?
Temperature.
What sunspot cycle is?
11 years.
What are cool area on sun?
Sunspot.
When earth is farthest from sun?
Summer.
Which planet has greatest density?
Venus.
Which planet has shortest year?
Mercury.
Source of energy for earth?
Sun.
What time does Milky Way rise?
Midnight.
Which planet has shortest year?
Mercury.
Which arm our solar system?
Orion.
What was India's first artificial earth satellite?
Aryabhat.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.